Hook, have you ever found yourself staring at your Ally app, refreshing constantly, and wondering, why is this transfer taking forever? We've all been there. Today, we're diving deep into the Ally transfer process to understand why it might be taking longer than expected. Context: Ally Bank is known for its user-friendly interface and competitive rates, making it a popular choice for many. However, even the best financial institutions can experience delays in transfers. Let's explore some common reasons why your Ally transfer might be taking longer than usual. Reason 1. Transfer type and amount. Regular transfers, smaller transfers between Ally accounts or to external banks, typically process quickly. Large transfers, larger amounts, might take more time to verify and process. International transfers, these can be subject to additional checks and regulations, leading to longer processing times. Reason 2. Bank holidays and weekends. Processing halts. Banks often pause certain operations during non-business hours, which can affect transfer processing. Weekend delays. Transfers initiated on weekends or holidays may experience delays as they're processed on the next business day. Reason 3. Technical issues. System outages, temporary disruptions in Ally systems can cause delays in transactions. Maintenance, scheduled maintenance can also impact transfer processing. Reason 4. Insufficient funds. Verification process. If there's insufficient funds in your account, Ally will need to verify the availability of funds before completing the transfer. Hold delays. In some cases, funds might be placed on hold for verification, causing delays. Reason 5. Security checks. Fraud prevention. To protect your account from fraudulent activity, Ally might implement additional security checks, leading to longer processing times. Reason 6. Incorrect account information. Verification delays. If there's an error in the recipient's account number or other information, Ally will need to verify the details, causing delays. Additional tips. Contact Ally customer support. If you're concerned about a delayed transfer, don't hesitate to reach out to Ally's customer service team for assistance. Check transfer status. Most online banking platforms allow you to track the status of your transfers. Be patient. While it can be frustrating to wait, it's important to remember that transfers can take time, especially for larger amounts or international transactions. Conclusion: understanding the factors that can influence transfer processing times can help you manage your expectations and stay informed. By being aware of these common reasons, you can better anticipate potential delays and take appropriate action if necessary. Call to action: have you experienced a delayed Ally transfer? Share your experiences in the comments below. Let's discuss tips and tricks for ensuring smooth and timely transfers. End screen. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.